Today I'm going to show you how to take an iPad 2 apart. This is brought in by a customer. It's fairly badly smashed, so we'll get on with the repair. First thing to do is heat up the screen. I'm going to take a safe opening tool. We start at the top corner, get that underneath there, and we work our way along the top. Be careful with the camera. That corner. Place another one under there just to keep that still. Apply and clamp there. Then we work slowly down this side. Careful, volume control cables are there. Just work our way along there. When we get to the bottom, do the same again. Now, around this area here, there's a Wi-Fi cable. We've got to be careful with that one. So we carefully go under there. Minding the home button. Work our way right across. Slot a bit there. Oops, underneath there. Now we just work down this side. There. Around this area here, that's where the connector for the digitizer is. Right, we carefully, there we go. There's just 4 screws holding the LCD screen in. We'll remove those. Small safe opening tool, just to lift that up. Small connector there, safe opening tool, just flick that across, and that will now lift the LCD screen out. Same with the digitizer, 2 retaining clips, 1, 2. And we can peel that off there. Right. And we have 1 digitizer removed from the iPad. Heat these up again and we can remove that. Heat the camera protection plate and that will peel off as well, and we can reuse that. Next we need to clean all the old bits of glue and any bits of glass that are left behind. Check through the parts. Yeah, that ribbon cable's fine. So's the Wi-Fi cable. So we'll clean that up next. Right, I've got all the glue cleaned off. Give the frame a quick clean off there. So all the bits of glass are out of there. Right, we're ready to start the new frame now. Get the new digitizer. Right, we've now got our new digitizer. First job is to apply the new adhesive. Now with all the tape secured on there, you can replace the home button. Goes on there. Camera protection goes on back onto there. You can now fix the home button contacts back on. Back on there like so. Right, we're now ready to reattach that to the logic board. Securing these, like so. There. Now reattach the LCD screen. Take your time with that, make sure you get it in perfect. Flip the little catch back over. You can now put the screen back down. So, and refit the screws. Just give that a quick blast off, make sure there's no bits left on there. Just pop that over. Make sure it all lines up. Yep. You can give it a test. Make sure the digitizer is working. There we go. We can now test the digitizer. That seems to be working okay. A little test like that. Right, so switch the unit off again. Now put it up. Next job is to remove all the top layer off the double-sided tape, ready for rebonding it back on. And we're almost done. the protective layer off, the double-sided tape. So we're now ready just to put it back on. Just use a safety opening tool just to pull that digitizer cable into place. Like so. We'll drop down into place now. Line the corner up. Like so. Just blast it out one more time with the air. So there's no bits whatsoever in there. We'll lower that into place. There we go. Working your way round. Just steer it, click them into place. So. Take the air again, soften up double-sided tape. Right, small cloth, run that round, pushing that back down into place, make sure it's nice and firm, it's not lifting. So, can now remove this protective layer. And there we have it. One iPad repaired. Turn it on. There we go. Hope you've liked this video and found it interesting. You can check out some of our repairs on our website at www.blackpoolfylescreenrepairs.co.uk. Thank you for watching.